Bit smoky. Really? Dickhead. Oh, you could tell he was desperate to do that. Obviously he doesn't like motorbikes filtering past. Don't you love that when people don't like something that a bike does, so they decide that they're going to try and do something dangerous. I don't know what their idea is. Maybe they think that, oh, he's getting past me, he deserves to die. He's not going to try and come up the inside of me in this lane. Look. He's looking indignant. Thanks, boss. You're supposed to look before you do that. Oh, you're an idiot. Oh, you should paint that Mercedes white. Oh dear. How's that working out for you? I was talking about that in the comments to Alan Bolter the other day. Squeak Bolter, his channel name. Talking about the red mist and how I'm now seem to be converting over to, when I see people doing stupid things, it just makes me laugh now. Unless they actually put your life in danger, it's not worth getting angry about. See some videos where, you know, somebody pulls out of a junction or something out of people and oh, effing this, effing that, oh, you're giving it loads, and then you see that they don't, you know, some of them don't get anywhere near the person who's pulled out because they've not really pulled out badly. Even sometimes you see bikes accelerating towards the car that's just pulled out in front of them and still not managing to get there, but swearing away. I don't know what the point of that is, to be honest. Righteous indignation. Except, actually, in a lot of cases, there's not really anything bad happened at all. The problem is, as you get more used to these things, it's not really a problem, it's actually a very good thing, but as you get used to these things more, you know, as with my limited motorcycling experience, as I get used to these things and predicting them better, I get fewer and fewer clips to share in my random clippage videos. But there you go. I'm not doing this video or any of these videos in order to try and put myself at risk in order to get a few more watches or subscriptions on YouTube. I just show you what I think is funny.